Hey grillers, welcome back to BB Grill Shack, where we focus on barbecue tips, tricks, reviews, and recipes. Today I'm going to be making a really delicious Swiss and onion smash burger to test out my Tomatillo Ketchup from last week. If you guys saw my video last week, you'll know that I made some Tomatillo Ketchup. This was just an experiment I wanted to try out, and this week I wanted to make a smash burger so that I could try out that Tomatillo Ketchup on the burger and see if it elevates the smash burger to an even better level. So this week I'm making a smash burger and using Tomatillo Ketchup and mayo as the only condiments without any additional toppings. I started out with 1 pound of ground beef and I seasoned it with a little bit of salt and black pepper. I mixed up the ground beef and spread it into 4 equal balls, so these will each be 1/4 pound balls. I also prepared a seasoning to put on the smash burger and on the onions. This is 1 part salt, 1 part black pepper, 1 part paprika, and 1 part white sugar. The first step was to sear and caramelize the onions. So I threw the onions on the grill with a little bit of oil, seared them for about 3 minutes, and then spread them into 4 separate piles. I seasoned each of these piles with a little bit of my custom smash burger seasoning, and then added each 1/4 pound ball to a pile of onions. I used a big steak weight and some wax paper to smash these burgers down. I really like to smash my burgers down as thin as I can get them, down to like a 1/4 inch thick or even thinner. They will thicken up as they cook. After I smashed all the burgers, I seasoned the top of the smash burger as well, so that when I flip it, that side will get a good seasoning also. I let the smash burger sear on top of the onion for about 1 to 1.5 minutes before flipping. It really depends on the color for this step. I flipped each burger, put the onions that fell off back on, and added a slice of Swiss. The Swiss is a really good cheese for this burger, and also it helps keep the onions on top of the burger as I scoop them into the bun. I threw each of the pretzel buns on the grill for about 30 seconds, and this grilled and toasted the buns really nice and evenly. Now that the buns and burgers are both ready, I'm going to start moving the burgers onto the buns. This step can be pretty messy, but be careful, go with confidence, and make bold moves, and you'll make this work. Scoop each burger onto its bun. We're doing double burgers here. I added a little bit of mayo and a little bit of Tomatillo Ketchup to liven up these burgers, and let's go ahead and give it a taste test. Alright guys, we got a big old double cheeseburger with the Tomatillo Ketchup. Let's go ahead and give it a try. That, my friends, is a good burger. Well, I was really impressed with that burger. The unique flavor of the Tomatillo Ketchup, it really kicks it up a level. And next time I'm going to add more ingredients so I can really get the full flavor. I really like a full burger. This week I just didn't have the ingredients to make that happen. But next time I use this Tomatillo Ketchup on a burger, I'm going the full whammy. Thanks for sticking around, you guys. This was a really awesome video to make. I really enjoyed that burger. If anything, I might have thrown a slice of cheddar and a slice of Swiss. That would have been even better. Thanks again, everybody. Get outside and grill, and I'll catch you guys next week with another video.